This is the Huawei Mate 50. Huawei has announced 3 new Mate 50 phones that all sport the same variable aperture, camera and the latest high-end Qualcomm processor, but without 5G support. These are the Huawei Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro, and Mate 50 Pro RS Portsche design. But this is a quick review on the Huawei Mate 50, so let's get to it. Huawei Mate 50 is powered by the high-silicon Kirin 9000S processor chipset, where the processor is the product of Huawei's own brand. And this Huawei Mate is supported with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. As for the battery, the smartphone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. It is also equipped with fast charging. The Huawei Mate 50 has a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, as well as a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. This smartphone is also equipped with the Android V12 operating system. This smartphone is supported by a main camera with a capacity of 50 MP. The Mate 50 also packs an IP68 dust and water resistance, 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, and stereo speakers. Another way the Mate 50 series is pushing technical boundaries is in their support for satellite communications. Using the Chinese Beidou satellite messaging system, the Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro, and Mate 50 RS Portsche design will be able to send messages over satellite rather than the terrestrial mobile networks. But crucially, they can only send, not receive them. Currently, satellite comms are used largely on private networks by militaries and emergency services, in places where standard mobile networks do not reach. Smartphones have not adopted the tech yet. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.